5 morning drinks to boost metabolism and aid weight loss. Ginger tea. If you're looking for a drink to kickstart your day, ginger tea is the perfect choice. Not only does it help warm up the body, but ginger also boosts metabolism and helps burn fat quickly. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which stimulates the stomach and improves digestion, especially in reducing bloating. In addition, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can prevent colds. To make it, simply slice a few fresh ginger pieces, crush them, and boil with water for about 5 minutes. Drink while warm, and you can add some honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Honey and cinnamon water. Another great morning drink is honey and cinnamon water. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that improve heart health and stimulate digestion. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and preventing fat buildup. Honey not only soothes the digestive system, but also helps balance blood sugar levels and reduces hunger. To prepare, simply soak a few cinnamon sticks in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then add a tablespoon of honey and stir. Drink it while warm to boost your metabolism and improve digestion. Lemon water. Lemon water is an extremely simple yet highly effective drink. A warm glass of lemon water in the morning helps detoxify the body, remove toxins, and support fat loss. The vitamin C in lemons is a powerful antioxidant that boosts immunity, improves skin health, and brightens the complexion. Drinking lemon water in the morning also stimulates digestion and accelerates metabolism, helping reduce appetite throughout the day. It also helps balance the body's pH levels, reducing fatigue and providing a boost of energy. To make it, squeeze half a lemon into 500 milliliters of warm water, stir, and drink it as soon as you wake up. Try making it a habit and feel the difference after a short time. Orange juice. Orange juice is a great source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity and keeps your skin healthy. But orange juice also has another benefit that's perfect for weight loss. It boosts metabolism. The polyphenolic flavonoids in oranges speed up fat burning and improve digestion. Oranges also provide essential minerals like potassium, which helps maintain muscle function and regulate blood pressure. Drinking orange juice in the morning is not only a refreshing way to start the day, but also helps replenish energy after a workout. It's a great choice if you want to stay energized and healthy. Coconut water. Coconut water is an amazing natural drink that not only hydrates, but also provides essential electrolytes that help balance the body. It's packed with potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that support muscle function, maintain hydration, and regulate blood pressure. Coconut water is also great for detoxifying the body and helping with weight loss. If you're looking for a low-calorie drink that's packed with nutrients, coconut water is a perfect choice. It's also ideal for post-workout hydration. Drinking coconut water in the morning will help you feel fresh and energized throughout the day. So these 5 drinks are all fantastic options for boosting metabolism, improving health, and supporting weight loss. If you want to start your day with energy and maintain a healthy weight, try incorporating these drinks into your morning routine. You'll not only feel better but also see the positive effects on your body and overall health in no time. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.